If you're thinking about upgrading your hosting, this is your final chance to get Cloudways' biggest deal of the year, and the bonuses this time are insane. Let me explain exactly what you get and how to claim everything step by step. Cloudways is running their Black Friday event, and this is their best hosting deal of 2025. Here's what you get. 50% off for 3 full months on any hosting plan, 50 free professional migrations handled by Cloudways' expert team, extra $50 in Cloudways hosting credits, plus a $50 gift card redeemable at stores like Nike, Amazon, Apple, Walmart, and more, depending on your region. This is not a small offer. This is the highest value Cloudways promotion of the entire year, and it's available for a very limited time. Now, why is this deal so good? Cloudways now runs on NVMe SSD servers for faster performance. They've added AI Copilot, which diagnoses and fixes issues up to 4 times faster. They expanded to over 65 global data center locations, so your website loads faster anywhere in the world. You also get free SSL, an advanced firewall, automated backups, and a fully managed hosting environment. Plus, you can run unlimited websites on every plan. This is premium cloud hosting built for performance. But with 50% off, it becomes cheaper than many shared hosting plans. So, who should switch now? If your website is slow, if your hosting crashes on high traffic, if you want better security, if you're planning to scale, or if you want dedicated resources instead of shared hosting, then this upgrade makes complete sense. And remember, Cloudways handles the entire migration for you. No risk, no downtime, and nothing breaks in the process. Here's how to claim the offer. Step 1. Click the link in the description below. It will automatically load the Black Friday discount for you. No promo code needed. Step 2. Choose any plan you want. I personally prefer DigitalOcean Premium or Volta High Frequency because they deliver the best performance. Step 3. Sign up and start your 3-day free trial. You don't even need a credit card. Step 4. Ask Cloudways to migrate your website. They'll handle everything. Now, here's how to claim the extra bonuses. Just send an email to alisathatmy.com. Include your email ID, your Cloudways Purchase ID, the date and plan you activated. She will verify your purchase and send you the gift card plus bonus credits. This makes the deal crazy valuable. Cloudways already gives 50% off, and on top of that, you're getting $100 worth of bonuses. This offer expires soon, and once it's gone, Cloudways won't bring back anything this strong until next year. If your website is important for your business, your blog, or your clients, this is the smartest time to upgrade. The link is in the description. Go activate the deal before it ends. If you have questions about choosing the right Cloudways plan or want me to help with your migration or optimization, leave a comment or send me a message. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for listening and enjoy the Cloudways Black Friday deal while it lasts.